Hi, I'm Anna with Patio Productions, and I'm excited to share our complete buyer's guide on Sling patio furniture. Sling patio furniture is a great option for any outdoor space. Wood frames provide a warm, natural aesthetic, while aluminum offers a lightweight, rust-proof alternative. The Sling fabric on both allows water to pass through quickly without absorption. Sling sets are comfortable, durable, and come in fun, bright colors to liven up your patio. One of the best things about Sling is that it holds up well over time if you store it properly in extreme weather. The Sling itself is tear-resistant and the aluminum frame won't crack or peel. With basic care, your set could last 5 years or longer. Sling stands up beautifully in wet weather climates. The mesh fabric won't absorb water like cushioned seats and dries quickly after rain or snow. In hot climates, the breathable Sling prevents swaying. The aluminum holds up in any climate. Cleaning Sling furniture is easy with just mild soap, water, and a soft brush. Sling requires almost no maintenance compared to other options. Some top Sling brands are Woodard, Mallin, Harmonia Living, Castelle, and Homecrest. These companies use durable Sling fabrics and quality rust-proof frames. With one of these sets, you can enjoy family gatherings on your patio for years. Sling patio furniture combines comfort, style, and low maintenance for your outdoor living space. For more tips on choosing Sling, check the link below this video for our complete Sling patio furniture buyer's guide. I'm Anna with Patio Productions. Thanks for watching.